This 8-band score essay has been written for you by Lavin, your online IELTS instructor. Do like this video if you found it useful, subscribe for updates and comment for queries or online training. Today, we will discuss the essay of the IELTS Academic Book 16 Test 1, where you have to write about 250 words in 40 minutes. In some countries, more and more people are becoming interested in finding out about the history of the house or building they live in. What are the reasons for this? How can people research this? This essay asks 2 questions, and it can be written in 4 paras. The introduction, where I mention the topic. Para 1, where I answer the first question. Para 2, where I answer the next question. And the conclusion, where I summarize the essay. For each of these paras, I will explain the format and then show an example. In the introduction, rewrite the topic in your own words and mention what you will write in this essay. For example, in some places around the world, a growing number of homeowners are becoming curious about the historic past of the properties that they live in. This essay will discuss the reasons for this newfound curiosity and how such information can be acquired. For para 1, answer the first question. One of the reasons for which people are intrigued by the history of their homes is to see if there is some information that could help to enhance the values of their homes. This is so that these homeowners could get better prices whenever they sell or rent out their properties. Moreover, by gathering information about the age of such properties, preventive maintenances can be carried out to increase their lifespans. And lastly, awareness of a building's history can also help to promote better relationships among its residents. For para 2, answer the second question. Further, there are many ways by which reliable information can be gathered regarding the home or a residential building. To begin with, one could approach the relevant department at the office of the local municipal authority. One could also use the services of a lawyer or an accountant to better understand the property's ownership documents, which usually contain historic transactional information. And finally, one could search the internet and look out for interesting events that may have occurred in the past, involving his or her neighborhood. As for the conclusion, summarize the topic and your response. For example, to conclude, there are many reasons for which people may find it essential to collect historical information about the houses or the buildings that they reside in. And there are a number of ways by which they could do so, mainly by contacting local authorities or by referring to relevant documents. The next slide will show the entire essay. You may pause to read at your own pace. Thank you for watching.